Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to do a quick scan for viruses on Windows 10. Let's get started. To do the quick scan, you need to open Windows Security. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu at the bottom left of your screen. Then type Settings. Then select Update and Security. Then click Windows Security. Once you're in Windows Security, you'll see several options on the left-hand side. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Now, under Current Threats, you'll see an option called Quick Scan. Click on Quick Scan to start scanning your computer for any viruses or threats. The quick scan will begin, and you can see the progress right here. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on the number of files on your computer. If any threats are found, Windows Security will alert you and provide options to remove or quarantine the threats. It's important to follow these prompts to ensure your computer stays safe. And that's it. Your quick scan is complete. It's a good idea to run these scans regularly to keep your computer protected. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or video suggestions, leave them in the comments below. See you next time.